Hey guys, no, I haven't been on in a while, but I figured today's a nice day, come out, get a few things done, and I'm gonna get some gardening done. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. The past week, we didn't have any snow. There was none. It was all nice bare ground. Now we got snow again. Hubby's there chopping wood. And I got the bucket. I'm going to get those scraps there on the floor and burn them. We don't waste any of our wood. We use that. It's good for kindling and just to make the fire a little bit bigger. Okay, I bought a load of seeds. I'm going to start planting a bunch of stuff this summer. Like, I'm going to start a few now and put them in the house until the weather gets better. I bought spearmint. I've been trying to find that everywhere. Oops, sorry. Hang on, now I'll put it where you guys can see spearmint. I got a couple packs of that. And I also bought myself like some flowers. And I got Swiss chard. Another Swiss chard. And another flower packet. And I bought this for my cat grass. I'm going to try it, see if she likes it. And I also got spinach. And parsley. And I got some chives. And let's see. Okay, so another pack of Swiss chard. Dill. I got black-eyed Susans there. And okay, so another pack of dill. And I got one mint. That's my other spearmint I bought. Tomatoes. Zucchini. And there's some more dill and chive. And there's another pack of tomatoes I had open from before. But I got loads of pots here in this garage. There's some of my smaller pots. Oops. Let's see. There's a couple there. I gotta find some of my bigger ones. Because like that's all my smaller ones. I got big ones here somewhere. Oh, well, while I was digging, looking for stuff, found one of my Easter decorations, one of the outdoor ones. I found some pots. I just got to find my bag of ground there now. Like I said, this garage is really disorganized because, watch, as you can see, this garage is blocked with vehicles. Not much room. We need a bigger garage. We'll probably get that later on. Like I said, not all these vehicles are ours. That red one over there is my hubby's brother-in-law's. This one here is my dad's. The only ones that's ours. My bike is over there buried in the corner. You see those brown boxes? That's the front of it. That's our helmets on top. That's my hubby's bike, his Skidoo, and this is our side-by-side. Like I said, it is really blocked in here. Just the only little bit of space there is in here. We need a bigger garage because, like I said, family and friends stored their vehicles in our garage for the winter because they don't have garages, so... Gonna check the woodshed. It's not in the garage.
Storage shed.
Storage, yeah. Wood and storage.
Marigold bag, is he's over there?
That's mine. Too much stuff.
Don't see him!
There's too much stuff in the air.
I can almost reach it.
Nessie's bike wrapped under that turd.
Another bag. Buried in behind there.
That's alright. This'll do. Okay, I'm gonna try a few like plants right now. I said the vegetables. The vegetables I got shouldn't take that long to grow. Like Swiss chard and stuff like that. It won't take that long, and spinach and stuff. And chives don't take too long. So this is only March. So next month I'll do like my Swiss chard, spinach, and stuff like that. So for now, I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to grow the cat grass for my cat. I'm gonna probably do chives and that too. So I'm just hoping this ground's not too frozen. It is kind of frozen, the bag. It's out in the shed. There. Oh, not the bag fully. Roll up some sleeves so I don't get my coat all dirty. Okay, first I'm going to plant the flowers. I'll leave that big pot for last. It's not froze. I thought it was, but it's not. It's just crumply, like in clumps. Now, I used to have a green thumb years ago, but lately, I don't have much time for doing anything. I'm always working, so my house plants, they're not the best. I know I'm probably not doing this right, and a lot of people's just gonna say so, but I'm just gonna try it like this for now. But I've done it like this way before and stuff grew, so why not? There we go. That's one done. Okay, next one for flowers. Okay, now I'm going to tilt you down a bit so you can see better. There we go. Sorry about all the movement. I don't have my camera set right. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm making a mess on my hubby's garage floor. He'll sweep it after anyway, I'd say. Okay, grab another pack of seeds. These are Cosmos, so I'm going to try these. Like I said, I'm not an expert at this, but try it this way and see if anything grows. I still got extra seeds left anyway. There, this one, that one's done. Okay, I went through all my pots. Mostly all my pots are outdoor ones with the holes in the bottom. So I'm going to use this big one. I'm going to put my chives in this one. I'll look in my house after. I should have some little flower pots in there. And I'll put the cat grass for my cat in that one after. I'm just going to plant some chives in this one for now. I gotta break up some of the ground. Make this too deep because you don't need a lot of ground for chives, because I got some chives in my house. I break this up, it's all clumpy. Okay, chive seeds down. Like I said, I'm probably not doing that right, but oh well. Okay, got a piece of wood in the stove. My plants are put away in the windowsills for now, and I'm going to do some more gardening later. That bucket there, I'm going to start putting some of that in the fire. Oops. There's like scrap pieces that's left over. We don't waste anything, we use it all. It's no good to leave it all waste everywhere. And we're going to use some for our fire pit, so lots of wood and nothing goes to waste. There we go, that's good enough for now. Okay guys, it's all stocked up there now in the stove, and I still got lots of scraps there yet. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.